Alright, good morning mga Katimbol Vlogs. Welcome sa isa na naman nating video bus vlog. As usual, bus check na naman tayo ngayong araw na to, April 28, Sunday 2024, here at kay Para Depot. Ito na, time check 5:45 in the morning. So let's commence. Check na natin yung bus na gagamitin natin ngayon. Hindi, walang iba kundi si bus number 2207, registration plate number FGB 495, which will expire on August 16, 2024. Come on, let's check it guys. Let's check it out. Old damage yung mga na normal na lang yan. Ang importante naman dito kasi yung check natin yung mga gulong kung all good ba. Yung mga adjusters niya is all good. Mga gastos na yan is very old na. Okay na. This one all good. All damages. Yes. All good. Damages. Ang importante yung adjusters kung okay ba. All good. Adjusters. Okay. All damages. Okay. Kung may mga naglulus. Good. All good. So again, all good. So that's all for our video bus vlog. Until next video bus vlog, paalam. God bless you all.